Samsung is back with the Galaxy Watch 8, and the hype is real. But is it truly the next big thing in smartwatches, or just another minor upgrade? From new health features to improved battery life, let's break down everything you need to know before you buy. The Galaxy Watch 7 was already impressive, but Samsung's pushing boundaries with the Watch 8. Let's talk about what's new and whether it's actually worth your money. Rumor has it that Samsung is packing in some big upgrades, including brand new processor for smoother performance, better battery life, finally a smartwatch that lasts longer, advanced health tracking, think blood sugar monitoring, and improved sleep tracking, a sleeker, more durable design because style matters. And if leaks are true, we might even see some AI-powered features to enhance fitness tracking. Now, how does the Galaxy Watch 8 stack up against the competition? While the Apple Watch Ultra still dominates in durability and ecosystem perks, Samsung's new health sensors could give it an edge. Plus, for Android users, the Galaxy Watch 8 is looking like the smartwatch to beat. So, is the Galaxy Watch 8 worth upgrading to? If you own a Galaxy Watch 4 or 5, this could be a big leap forward. But if you're rocking a Watch 7, you might want to wait and see if the upgrades are worth it. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to justify the hype? Or are you waiting for something even better? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.